especially the Great Compassion project. Mr. Milan Sakta, as his advice, that on the auspicious occasion of Baisakh Day, or the Buddha Jayanti, we are preparing here the food for those poor families here. We estimated more than 100 families. It means we have more than 300 plus people are eating today this food. So we have rice and we have all the pickles are there, Nepali food. So we especially thank you to the Great Compassion Project and the BTC Nepal. We are from the BTC Nepal family here. We are from the staffs are working there since yesterday. So thank you very much. Whoever helping us, supporting us, thank you very much. And namaste for all the supporters and helping hands. We have helped continuously, and this is our first time, and we are still looking the second place, where is very needed place we are looking for, and then those poor family we are very happy to serve. So that's why we hope that you will be continue supporting with us, and you will be continuing with us in the days to come, in the future days. So thank you very much, especially to the Professor Milan Sakta and his team, and also the BTC Nepal team. Thank you very much. Today, especially because of the lockdown, the Nepal is locked down, so that's why we are cooking here in a very similar place here. And now we are packing, and then we just distribute in the other places. So because if we cook in the same place, there will be a lot of crowd, and it is very risky and very dangerous because of many people are scared because of COVID-19. So that's why we actually take care of the safety measures, and also take care about the sanitation, and also take care about this clean and fresh food. Especially today, the Buddha Jayanti, we are not serving meat, but we are serving the vegetables, the vegetable items here. So veggie items are here, pulses are there, and also the fruits. We are serving the fruits. We even don't serve today the eggs, because some people think that egg is vegetables. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you will be continue supporting us in future. Thank you very much. Namaste.